In this video, I'm going to tell you what an inquiry is and how it may be affecting your credit score. My name is Shane Phillips, CEO of Rightway Capital Solutions, and I help people every day achieve their financial goals through credit repair and credit education. Some of these goals are going to be things such as purchasing new homes, starting their dream business, or getting auto loans at low interest rates. Now, a question that I get pretty often from any prospective clients or people that have questions about their credit is, hey, I have all these things called inquiries on my credit report, but I'm not sure what that means and how that's affecting me. Can you help me out? So first, let me just explain what a credit inquiry is. So whenever you apply for a credit product or a financial product and that lender pulls your credit report, meaning that you give them your social security number, you give them authorization to pull your credit, they're going to give you a hard inquiry. So that's the first thing too. So there's going to be two different types of inquiries. The first one is going to be a hard inquiry. So when that lender goes and they pull your credit report from, whichever bureau, all three bureaus, two bureaus, one bureau, that's going to show up as an inquiry on your credit report. That's going to let other lenders know when they pull your credit report as well, that you also just got your credit pulled by another lender. So, and I'll get to why that may be a factor to you as well. Then the second kind of inquiry that you may have, and you'll see this on your credit report as well, is going to be a soft inquiry. Now, a soft inquiry actually does not affect your credit whatsoever. It's not going to affect your credit score at all. You can have 1,000 soft inquiries, it means nothing. That just means that, again, if someone is, did a soft inquiry report to see what your score is, they didn't pull your full credit report to see the actual data on your credit report. Now, you'll get soft inquiries when you go through credit monitoring sites. They do soft inquiries to see what's on your credit report. If you are getting pre-approved for something, that was a soft inquiry that was done on your credit report. And again, you may see those, but that doesn't affect you at all. As I said before, those hard inquiries, those do show up on your credit report. They are factored into any decision that a prospective lender may make. And also, every inquiry that you get may drop your credit score by about 3 points. So it's not the end of the world, but there is going to be some kind of effect. Now, the thing with inquiries, the reason why they are pretty detrimental, now inquiries are worth 10% of your FICO score. So again, not a huge percentage, but it is definitely something that you want to pay attention to, because although inquiries won't necessarily drop your score too much, as long as you don't run up 50 or 60 inquiries. The thing about inquiries is that they can be a barrier from you getting approved for whatever financial product that you're looking for. For example, if you have 10 inquiries, especially within the past, let's say 2 or 3 months, and you go to apply for a credit card, more than likely you're going to get denied, because that company is going to see that you have 10 inquiries. You went to 10 other credit card companies to try to get extended credit. And whether you got that account or not, you just seem a little too risky, seem a little too thirsty for the credit. So we're going to hold off. So you definitely want to protect the amount of inquiries that you have, especially the inquiries that you get within a 6-month time frame. Any inquiry that you usually get, any inquiry that's past 12 months actually isn't factored into your FICO score at all. All inquiries will fall off after 2 years. So all inquiries will fall off after 2 years. And then the inquiries that happen to be within the last 6 months will weigh most heavily in a prospective lender's decision. So you definitely want to keep that in mind. Again, a hard inquiry is going to stay on your credit report for 2 years, but it's the inquiries within the last 6 months that are going to weigh most heavily when it comes to a decision of getting approved or denied for a financial product. So be aware of those inquiries. If let's just say you're price shopping, you go to a car lot, which you shouldn't be doing. You should get a car the smart way, which I will explain later. But you don't want to fill out a credit app and have them send your credit information to every bank in the world, getting 60, 70 inquiries, having them shotgun your credit, because that's going to lower your score. And that's going to hurt you if you try to go get a credit card or something else of that nature, because you have too many inquiries. So this is definitely something you want to be aware of. When it comes to things such as home buying, the industry understands that people may rate shop, meaning that I may let this lender run my credit because I want to see what's the best rate this lender can give me? I may go to this lender and allow them to do the same thing. So they actually have made a 14-day window rule, which will allow you to get as many of the same related inquiries when it comes to homes. And that'll actually only count as one inquiry when it comes to applying with that next lender. So they're not going to hold those inquiries against you. And when it comes to credit cards, that's different. If they see 10 inquiries, they're going to count that as 10 inquiries, regardless of what the situation was. So you want to make sure you're aware of that. You want to make sure that you put that in practice when it comes to you applying for certain things. If there's something that you're shaky on, you don't think you're going to get approved for, if you read the description of that product and you don't necessarily meet those qualifications, it's best for you to hold off, because that inquiry again can stop you from getting something that you may have been eligible for, all because you have that inquiry on your credit report. So definitely something you want to pay attention to. Now, the one thing, or the good thing about inquiries, is that they can be removed. There is a method for those to get removed. If you have any questions on that method, feel free to shoot me a DM or hit me in the comments below, and a member of our team will love to get with you and get you started on your credit journey. If you have any negative items on your credit report that you're looking to get removed, as far as collections, late payments, or charge-offs, definitely schedule a free credit consultation, and a member of our team will speak to you soon to get you started on your credit journey. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to hit them below, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. See you guys on the other side.